guys, just want to talk about OG here. It is a potential drop and pop play. The worry is that it's getting almost into a new day. Sometimes it can be good and sometimes it can be a hindrance. But what you don't want to see is you don't want to see price get stuck. Look at that nice drop here, beautiful. You don't want to see price get stuck under these moving averages. If that gets stuck under here, it's a bad sign. You want price to kind of flush down, probably into, well, anywhere there. It doesn't have to go that low, and come back up pretty quick and move and make our way back into this sort of area. So it's still looking good. It just needs to not get stuck below this purple moving average. That's the key, and that's the secret. So if you can buy around there, you know there's potential for a 10% pop. You very well could just put your stop loss anywhere below down here, I would suggest.